You have now tuned into another Just for TV production. What's up, guys? It's Jess here on Just for TV, back on your screen with another video. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today I am doing something a little bit different. So I recently just purchased a new desk and I'm basically going to be revamping it, transforming it into something that is more aesthetically pleasing for my space and that it all just matches. So right now we are out in the garage. I just got some Windex and some paper towels because we are going to be spray painting this desk. And these are the drawers and the two legs that go on the other side. The tabletop is actually in the back. I am waiting on the marble contact paper. I literally just picked up this desk probably around 11 o'clock this morning. I have been scouring Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, all those types of thrift stores, secondhand, online markets, or what have you. And I came across this Elfa Driftwood desk from the Container Store. And I was so excited because it was actually exactly what I was looking for. I was going for, like, you know, an IKEA vibe, that white vibe or what have you. But of course, y'all know their shipping right now is stupid. And they don't have anything in the store that's located near me. So it's not like I could just run up there real quick and get what I wanted. So then I tried Michael's. And of course, by the time you end up buying the drawers, the tabletop, and they don't sell legs. I didn't see any legs in Michael's. So you have to buy two sets of the drawers, and that ends up being almost like well over $150. Like, I might as well just get the IKEA and get it shipped, you know? So I am so excited that I was able to find this desk, this Elfa Driftwood desk. It actually retails at a little over $180, and I got it secondhand for less than $50. So come through Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, we're going to be making a gold and marble desk, which if you've been watching, then you know that the aesthetic of my backdrops of my office slash studio slash beauty room is actually gold and black and marble. So I'm going to basically be transforming this desk from drab to fab, taking it, you know, to some type of chic type of Pinterest vibes. Like, I don't know, I'm just like on this DIY kick. So I thought I would let you guys watch me decorate. So let's start with, we're gonna start by just wiping this stuff down just to make sure there's no lint or dust or anything on it. So let's get it popping. Wiped everything down, and right now I'm just laying down the newspaper so that I'll clean my garage up with this gold metallic paint. So I'm about to put everything down and we're gonna get the spray paint. This is my first real live DIY do-it-yourself transforming project, so I do hope like that it comes out cute. I'm sure it'll come out cute. Like, the worst that I can do is screw up the contact paper, so let's get it popping. I used a whole can of spray paint on everything. It kind of doesn't look like that is, oh yes it does right here. I think this is just the way the sun is hitting it. Oh yeah, I think these mesh baskets actually what took a lot, and I still need to flip them over and just do the outer edge. I'm not really too much worried about the inside of the baskets. I actually have one more can of spray paint over there. I'm going to let these dry and then go back over everything just to make sure everything is completely covered. Probably in about like 6 to 8 hours, because I just want to make sure that I'm giving this stuff enough time to dry. So yeah, I will come back when it is time to do the second coat, but I just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of how everything is looking. So yeah, I will be back once this dries.
Ooh, when the time's right, I light up and ride off in sunsets and Corvettes.
Hey guys, okay, it is actually the next day. I did do the second coat of the spray paint yesterday, probably around like 8 or 9 o'clock last night, and it is now 1:30. So everything should be dry. I hope it's dry. Like I told y'all, this is my first real live DIY, so I don't know. It looks good though. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all. The paper look good. Like I spray painted the hell out of that paper. Like this newspaper should be on Pinterest. But I try not to go crazy on these because of the mesh, and you really can't, you're really not gonna see these because they're gonna be like underneath of it. But yo, this paper is fire. Like come through newspaper, come through gold newspaper. But yeah, I mean, everything dried, then doesn't get on my fingers. So basically what I'm about to do right now is put this thing together, and my contact paper got delivered this morning. So again, I'm just gonna let you guys watch me either botch the hell out of this desk or make a beast ass aesthetically pleasing desk for me to film my videos on. So stay tuned. Everything. Here is the actual tabletop. So I'm going to wipe this down and dry it off, and the contact paper is right there, and I'm going to start assembling this thing. It's just me, so hopefully I can get it together. Let's get it. So I managed to get the desk completely standing. It is quite sturdy, even with me putting it together. And now I am about to put the marbled contact paper on this tabletop here. So let's get started. So this is the contact paper that I got off Amazon, and I just have some scissors. I'm going to be using this sign that says shit happens, because shit probably gonna happen when I try to smooth out this contact paper. So I'm going to be using this sign to smooth it out. You guys, that was like super duper hard. Like I literally had to stop recording, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, and this is the final product.
You just leave this up to me. I can show you my world. We can go through it all. You just leave it up to me. Take a trip to the stars. I can show you it all. You just leave it up to me. I can show you my world. We can go through it all. You just leave this up to me. Take a trip to the stars. I can show you it all. Yeah. Look at all this moolah. I got cash now. And a bunch of books.
Alright, so yes, that was the final product. This is the before and this is the after. I hope you guys enjoyed me putting together this DIY. Maybe it'll give you some inspiration to do one, and maybe I can come to your channel and watch yours, because I don't know if mine's, you know, gonna make the cut. I don't know if she Pinterest ready, but she just for TV ready, and at this point that is all that matters. Thank you guys so much for clicking to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.